Today I'm going to give you a tour of PCBros and show you how much has changed since we started 3 years ago. So let's go. PCBros was created by Matt and Jackson at the end of 2020, and due to quick growth, we knew we needed a building, so we moved into here in early 2021. And we've been here for about 3 years now. It's really mind-blowing to me how much has changed in that amount of time. Just here in the storefront alone, you can see how much more has been added. We now have a full staff and a full-time front desk person. We now offer a wider range of PCs, including more staples, more pre-builts, and we offer a fully custom PC service, as well as a bunch of peripherals and a lot of different deals that we have in store. Before, we pretty much just had the staple builds and worked from there, but we have a lot more to offer, and in 3 years, our local presence has grown quite a bit. Back in 2021, this corner was basically empty and we didn't really have anything here to show for. But now we have a whole nother section for monitors, mouses, and keyboard, and we even have merch. The PCBros hoodies are my personal favorite, especially during the cold season. You can check that out here on PCBros.tech, but let's go ahead and move on to the next section here. So we have this whole section now for budget and office PCs, monitors, and even laptops. We get quite a few customers coming in exclusively for these items for work, school, and stuff like that. So it's nice to have a full section dedicated to that niche. And now visiting the warehouse, this is where some of the biggest changes have happened. In 2021, this warehouse was basically empty other than all of the test stations that you see here that are very busy and active pretty much throughout the whole day, testing and listing new PCs or doing repairs. We also have a desk for each of the employees here, a little section. We have the repair section here. This is where we offer local repairs for PCs that people bring in that we didn't sell but they want fixed, as well as RMAs for PCs that we might have shipped out that had issues through shipping, and we can fix them that way as well. But we do everything in-house and we have full staff for each thing that we do here. We have a handful of build stations to build the PCs, as well as plan new builds for the website that you see right here. And as for shipping, this is the one section that really hasn't changed much, but now we have more material and we really got shipping locked down to a science at this point, making sure PCs are safe and secure through the long transit through UPS. Thanks for joining me on this look back at PCBros and how far we've come in just 3 years. It's amazing to see the progress we've made from a small startup with big dreams to a growing company with even bigger goals. As the year wraps up, I couldn't be more excited of what the future holds for PCBros. We're committed to making our products and services better with each step forward, so we can bring the best of custom PCs and tech support that we possibly can. Here's to the future of PCBros, and thanks for being part of the journey. So I would like to end off here with a commercial that we have playing at our local movie theaters to give that last recap of what PCBros is all about.
PCBros is your one-stop shop into the tech world. From custom gaming PCs to gaming peripherals and even tech repairs, you can shop with confidence because PCBros is run by enthusiasts who aim to deliver the best PCs and service in the industry. Shop online at PCBros.tech or in person today.